Hi, I'm Reggie.
I'm Leon.
I'm Josh.
And I'm Jason. I'm the project coordinator for Group 1. Our group decided to attempt 3D printing because we believe that rapid prototyping is the future of product design. 3D printing is the process of making a three-dimensional solid object from a digital model. This is achieved by an additive process where successive layers are laid down in different shapes. 3D printing allows the creation of otherwise impossible objects.
First, the group gathered to discuss possible objects that we could print. We decided to make an interactive object with movable parts. The group then brainstormed ideas from treasure chests and swing sets to cars and even toilets. We agreed to make a balloon car, a car propelled by a balloon. We then sketched some designs for the body, wheels, etc. We also ran some tests on balloon propulsion versus exhalation. Using toy cars in different straw sizes, we were able to see which straw size would be the best fit for the most thrust. This gave us an insight on which pipe size to use, on which the balloon was attached and the air passed through.
With no prior knowledge in 3D design, we tried getting ideas from paper onto the computer using Google SketchUp. Many mock designs later, we submitted a design to the 3D printing lab to be printed. This design was turned back due to complications with Google SketchUp. With help of Jenna, the 3D printing technician, we were able to print a prototype of the car using the rapid extrusion printer. In testing our prototype model, we discovered several flaws in our design. Most notably, the file exported from Google SketchUp caused issues with the print. For one, the exhaust pipe had several obstructions. The body of the vehicle also had holes which were not apparent on the computer model. We improved our design and submitted it for the final print on the powder printer. Meanwhile, we were invited to attend AUT's information evening. We quickly made a draft copy of our poster and modified the prototype model. We gathered a lot of interest from potential students who were interested in computer science.
So 2 days later, after 30 hours of printing, our powder print was finally complete. The model was substantially better quality, and it was a far more accurate representation of our design. The printer object had moving wheels straight from the printer, so this meant that it had metal brief. Unfortunately, we underestimated the weight of the model, and also the wheels weren't completely smooth, so making pushing the car harder than we expected. We applied a rubber band to each of the wheels to provide a smoother surface. We also printed a series of interchangeable nozzles to variate the outlet size. With the addition of the rubber bands and the nozzles, we have successfully created a car that is solely propelled by a balloon. During this project, we learned a lot about 3D modeling, and from our experiences, we do not recommend the use of Google SketchUp for 3D printing. Without the help from Jenna, Barry, and the TAs, we wouldn't have had this exciting opportunity. I would especially like to thank Jenna for her assistance with perfecting our model. Thank you for watching our project.